Good morning, kindergarten. It's Mrs. Merritt, and today we are going to jump a few numbers. I know we've been working with the numbers 0 through 5, but today we are going to learn how to decompose the number 8. So our objective is I can decompose the number 8. Now before we get started, please pause me and go grab something to write with and something to draw on, okay? All right, here we go. Okay, so we're gonna look at this stick and we're gonna figure out how many cubes are in our stick first. That's our first step. So we're gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we have 8 cubes all together. That is our whole. We need to break off 2 of them and put them to the side. So let's see, we're just gonna 1, 2. So we have to figure out how many cubes we have left. But we're gonna write a number sentence while we do that. So we started with our whole. So if we add these 2 back, we said we had 8, right? So we're gonna write our number sentence. So 8 is our whole, and it's subtraction, because we have to figure out how many we have left. So whenever you hear how many do you have left, you need to do subtraction. And then we took away some. How many did we take away? Let's do it again. Let's show it. 1, 2. Okay. So 8 minus 2. And that equals how many we have left over here. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. And I love how our picture matches what we wrote. But it's always a good idea to check our work. So we're going to put up 8 fingers. We have to take away 2. And let's count how many fingers we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We did it. Okay. Now it's going to be your chance to start participating a little more. So this is when you'll need something to write with and something to write on. Okay? Okay, so as always, we're going to write a number bond that matches what we did. Okay? So let's write a number bond. Let's walk through it. It's been a little bit since we did a number bond. So we have a whole and we have 2 parts. So I'm going to take our thing apart, our cube stick apart, to match what our picture was before. We had 2 put aside. And I want us to do our whole in 2 parts. We'll do this one together, and then the next problem, I'll have you start working on your own a little bit more. But if you want to pause me now, it's a great time, and then you can unpause me and check your work. But only if you want. Okay, so here we go. Let's count our whole. Our whole is everything we have all together. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And our whole, remember, is what our 2 parts equals. So that's why I put it over here. Because our 2 lines and 1 circle is our whole. So we have a whole, and our 2 parts are split up for us very nicely. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we have 1, 2. So this number bond is showing the same thing we did for a number sentence. 8 minus 2 equals 6. So 8 is our whole. We take away 2 and we still have our 6 up here. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, now we need to break off 4 cubes. But let's start with a number sentence. So our number sentence for subtraction, because we're going to figure out how many are left. our number sentences for subtraction is whole minus your part equals your other part, okay? So we can write our subtraction sentence as we go along. So let's count our whole first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold on, let's restart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if it's our whole, and then minus, okay, they said break off 4 cubes, so we're going to put 4 down here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 8, we took away 4. So 8 minus 4. I want you to pause me and figure out how many we have left. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. So we have 8, and then we took away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 equals 4. Okay, things are going to get a little bit trickier now. I am going to show you the picture of what we just did. We took away 4, and I want you to pause me and create that number bond. So we took away 4 from our whole. Go ahead and pause me and write a number bond to match our picture. We had 8, we took away 4, and we have some left. Go ahead. All right, let's see what you got. So we have all together, I'm going to count my whole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, good start. I'm going to put my whole where my 2 parts go to. So I have 8. And then I took away this group right here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. And that leaves this group up here, which is my other part, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So I had 8, I took away 4, and 4 were left over. All right. Okay, now this is the last thing we're going to do. I'm going to roll the dice, and then I want you to pause me. I want you to create a number bond and a number sentence for me, okay? So I'm going to roll this dice over here. It's going to tell us how many we're going to cross out. And then you're going to write a number bond and number sentence to match the picture. Are you ready? Okay. Oh, this did it last time like that. There we go. Okay, let's see how many we have to take away. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm going to cross out 3. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and pause me and make that number sentence and number bond. Okay, I'm so glad you're back. I cannot wait to see what you got and see if we got it right together. Okay, I'm going to start with my number bond. Okay, so I'm going to figure out my whole first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so there's our 8. I took away 3, so that's one of my parts. Oh gosh, that is not a good 3. There we go. It's okay. We all make mistakes, right? Okay, that's a little better. And now I'm going to figure out how many we have left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we have 8 is our whole, 3 is one of our parts, and 5 is our other part. Let's go on and make our number sentence. I start with my whole, which I can look right at this number bond. I don't even need to recount. And I see that I have 8. Okay, so I have 8. And then how many did I take away again? 1, 2, 3. Very good. And then Let's see how many I have left. This one, I can either see, okay, I used the 8 and the 3, so it must be the 5, or I can go up here and count. Or I can use my fingers. So 8, take away 1, 2, 3, leaves this many left, which we know is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, guys. You guys did such an awesome job today. I'm going to go to the next page and explain what your homework is, or your exit ticket for today, okay? This will give you a little more practice with the number 8. I will upload this to Google Classroom if you'd like to print the form, but a lot of friends are just pausing the screen and they are drawing this worksheet out and then taking a picture of it for their teacher. So whatever way works best for you, that's fine with me. Okay, I can't wait to see all your hard work. Have a great day.